This is going to be a demonstration on how to use Table E to get the area under the standard normal distribution curve. The standard normal distribution curve is a bell-shaped graph with a mean of 0 and a standard deviation of 1. When you look on Table E and you pick a z along this number line, like I've picked the z of negative 1.53, the table will give you the area to the left of this under the curve. So let me show you the table. When you look at negative 1.5, you look on this column right here. And then the hundredths place, the 3 will be right there. So when you want to look up negative 1.53, you look right here. And you would see 0.0630, and that would be the area to the left right here under the curve, but to the left of a z of negative 1.53. So the table always gives you the area to the left. Even if I choose a z that's over here, it will give me the area to the left of that. So even if you choose a positive z, like for instance you choose maybe like 1.26, something like that, it'll give you the area to the left from this point to the left. So let's look up 1.26 so you can see it. There's one side of the chart that has negative z's along it, and then the other side of the chart has positive z's. So if you look up 1.2, and then you go along the top and look up the hundredths place, the 6, then you come over here, and it would be 0.8962. To the left of 1.26 is 0.8962. You can also look up areas to the right of something. Like for instance, let's say I really want the area to the right of 1.26. Well, if you look up the area to the left of it and then subtract it from 1, the area right here this direction should be 0.1038. So even though the table always gives you the area to the left, you can get the area to the right by subtracting it from 1. If you want area in between two numbers, what you have to do, I'm just going to pick two negative numbers. Like if I pick negative 0.06 and then negative 0.53, and I want the area in between those numbers, then you can look them up individually, and then you can subtract the two areas. So I would look up negative 0.53, get that area, then I'd look up negative 1.06, get that area, and then subtract the two areas. And you should have your answer. So let me just see if we can find this on here. Negative 0.53 would be right here, 2981. Negative 0.53 would be 2981. And then let's look up negative 1.06. It should be 0.1446. And then if we subtract those, we should get the area in between. That should be the green shaded area.